In this lecture, we will take a look at adjectives in imperfective form and perfective form. The conjugation in adjectives are following the same structure in verbs. In fact, this structure appears to all declinable yogen, including verbal adjectives and helper verbs, being discussed later. It is a general framework to observe the way of usage in Japanese, both in classical and modern time. Meanwhile, for the related 6 forms, although each has a clear name, in this lecture we are concentrating imperfective and perfective. These names only play a role to identify the main function, or to relate them to representative helper verbs used in this form. As a learner, while you need to start from here but should not be caught with this naming too much. This chart indicates the negative form and the presumption form for 2 types of adjectives. Predictive form, 修飾, or how an adjective appears on a dictionary is located in the middle of this chart, and the rest of forms indicated in the small font will be discussed later. The 2 forms in the discussion here, imperfective form to use with the 之, negative or not such, mu, presumption or probably, then the perfective form uses the ば, assumption or assuming because, and the ど, inversion or even though. Here are a few examples from the first type of adjectives while work with the 之, mu. 赤からず、あるからず、おからず、おぼつかなからず、のどけからず、短からず。Then examples from the second type of adjectives. 新しからず、恋しからず、難しからず、虚しからず、珍しからず、惜しからず。A few examples from the first type of adjectives while work with the ば、ど。赤ければ、明るければ、多ければ、おぼつかなければ、のどけければ、短ければ。Then examples from the second type of adjectives. 新しければ、恋しければ、難しければ、虚しければ、珍しければ、惜しければ。There are 2 related drills from Kobun Online. Change an adjective to work with 之, mu, to change an adjective to work with ば、ど. See you at the next lecture.